Use this video to learn how to make your very own scatter brush, art brush, or pattern brush in Adobe Illustrator, and unlock 3 bonus tricks that will completely transform the designs you've made using the brush tool. Got any questions about brushes? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's start. Create a shape. You can try this with something basic like a star or a circle, but I love clouds, so I'm making one. Play around. Follow my steps, but feel free to adjust the settings to your liking. For the scatter brush, I will use the cloud. I'll make it small, around 50 pixels. For the art brush, best to have is a long object. I will also make it small. I have a habit, but you can create a rectangle 250 pixels width and measure by it. For the pattern brush, I will reuse the cloud, maybe alter it a bit. Again, you can use any shape you make. You can use the paintbrush tool or a path to test your custom brush. Now it's time for the 3 superpower tricks. They're simple, but once you know them, they're game changers. First, adjust the brush thickness to better match your design style. Second, change the color of a brush. This creates a new brush in your brushes panel. Third, tweak the brush preferences and apply the changes to strokes that are already on the artboard. Have fun! Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.